Join me as I challenge myself to create the most delicious diabetes-friendly breakfast ideas that you've got to try. If you're one of the millions of people living with diabetes, you know how crucial it is to start your day off right with a healthy breakfast. A diabetes-friendly breakfast can help manage blood sugar levels, provide energy, and set you up for a day of healthy eating. For people with diabetes, breakfast can be a bit tricky. You need to balance your carbohydrate intake with protein and healthy fats to keep your blood sugar levels stable. But that's not all. You also want to make sure you're getting a good mix of fiber, vitamins, and minerals to keep you full and focused throughout the morning. Managing blood sugar levels is key, and breakfast plays a huge role in that. When you eat a meal that's high in carbs and sugar, it can cause a spike in your blood sugar levels. On the other hand, a balanced breakfast with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs can help keep your levels stable. Eating a healthy breakfast can be tough, especially when you're short on time in the morning. But trust me, it's worth it. By making a few simple changes to your breakfast routine, you can set yourself up for a day of healthy eating and better blood sugar management. When it comes to choosing breakfast foods, people with diabetes often face a lot of challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is finding foods that are low in carbs and sugar, but still taste great. Another challenge is managing portion sizes, as too much of any food can be detrimental to blood sugar levels. Many popular breakfast foods like sugary cereals and pastries can be tempting but are not ideal for people with diabetes. Even seemingly healthy options like fruit smoothies can be high in sugar and carbs. So what can you eat for breakfast that's both delicious and diabetes-friendly? Managing blood sugar levels is a top priority for people with diabetes, and breakfast plays a critical role in that. A healthy breakfast can help regulate blood sugar levels, provide energy, and support weight management. Incorporating physical activity into your morning routine can also help manage blood sugar levels. Even a short walk or some light stretching can make a big difference. Let's talk about some delicious diabetes-friendly breakfast ideas. One of my favorites is oatmeal with nuts and seeds. Steel-cut oats or rolled oats are both great options, and you can add some chopped nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds for extra crunch and nutrition. Another great option is avocado toast on whole grain bread with a fried egg. The healthy fats in the avocado and egg will keep you full, while the complex carbs in the whole grain bread provide sustained energy. Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of granola is also a tasty and healthy option. Look for unsweetened yogurt and choose fresh or frozen berries to keep your carb intake in check. If you're in the mood for something savory, try making a breakfast burrito with scrambled eggs, black beans, and veggies. Use a whole grain tortilla and add some salsa or hot sauce for extra flavor. If you're looking for something quick and easy, consider making a smoothie bowl with spinach, protein powder, and almond milk. Top it with some sliced fruit, nuts, and seeds for added texture and nutrition. You can also try making some overnight oats with almond milk, chia seeds, and fresh fruit. This breakfast is easy to prepare the night before and is packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Another option is a breakfast skillet with scrambled eggs, veggies, and lean turkey sausage. This hearty breakfast is filling and flavorful and can be made in just a few minutes. One standout breakfast recipe that I want to share with you is my diabetes-friendly breakfast bowl with quinoa, roasted veggies, and a fried egg. Quinoa is a complex carb that's rich in fiber and protein, making it an excellent choice for people with diabetes. To make this recipe, simply cook quinoa according to package instructions, then top it with roasted veggies like broccoli, bell peppers, and sweet potatoes. Add a fried egg and a sprinkle of feta cheese for extra protein and flavor. This breakfast bowl is not only delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients that can help manage blood sugar levels. The quinoa provides sustained energy, while the roasted veggies add fiber and antioxidants. Incorporating this recipe into your breakfast routine can have a significant impact on your blood sugar management. By choosing complex carbs, protein, and healthy fats, you can keep your levels stable and support overall health. In conclusion, there are many delicious diabetes-friendly breakfast ideas that you can try. From oatmeal with nuts and seeds to a breakfast burrito with scrambled eggs and veggies, there's something for everyone. By making informed choices about your breakfast foods, you can manage your blood sugar levels, provide energy, and support overall health. Remember, breakfast is a critical meal that sets the tone for the rest of the day. So I encourage you to get creative in the kitchen and try out some of these recipes. Experiment with different ingredients and flavors to find what works best for you. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite diabetes-friendly breakfast ideas, and be sure to subscribe for more informative content like this.